Hi, it's Leanne here from Sewroo Products. I know you all know about our ironing board covers and our peg bags, but maybe you don't know about our wash bags. We make the highest quality wash bag with great quality zips. The zip will lock down when they're in the wash so that they last a lot longer. Wash bags save you a lot of money on your garments. Like wood black trousers, if you put them in the wash bag, you won't get any fluff or lint on them. Anything that says it's hand washable, I just put it in a wash bag and chuck it in the washing machine. Saves you a lot of time. These wash bags here will way outlast the cheap inferior products that they sell in the normal retail stores. They are Australian made and tons of designs to choose from. We make them from swish foil or poplin cotton. Lately we've been selling so many of these and people have been ringing up and telling us how happy they are with them. So jump on Sewroo Products website, sewroo.com.au, or phone us on 075564 0304. While you're on our website, have a good look around and see what other products we have available. We have a large range of Australian-made products on our website. Look forward to your order. Thank you from Sewroo HQ.